Assalamu alaikum, dear children. Welcome to our science program. In this science program, today we are going to discuss the world around us. In this beautiful world, we have so many beautiful things. We have humans, we have birds, we have trees and plants, we have blue sky and clouds, we have mountains and hills, how the sun rises, how the sun sets, how the moon comes out behind the cloud, and how things move on. But today's our topic is the plants, the life cycle of a plant. So we are curious how this plant grows out of a small seed. I mean, we have seen small seeds and then it sprouts and out comes the beautiful, beautiful plant that grows into very powerful tall trees that fill up the forest, right? So we are going to show you the different stages, how from a small seed it sprouts, how it grows, and then it gets shaped into a very beautiful large plant. So here you can see different stages, the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. Let's see how it happens. So in its very initial stages, the stage 1, we see that first of all we have to bury small seeds in the soil, inside, under the soil. You have to dig it up, soften up the soil bed, and then you have to bury them inside. If you have a vase in the house, you can do it there. You can bury even in the container if you have a soil there, and if you have soil bed in your garden, then you can bury up the seeds under that one. Dig up a hole, and the hole should be deeper one. Otherwise, sometimes the birds come and they just take the seed out of it, they feed on it. So it should be buried a little bit deeper. Okay, so this is the first stage. The seed is planted in the ground or in soil. Then we water it up, and the second stage is sprout. This is called the sprouting stage. From the seed, a tiny new plant sprouts. You can see how beautifully a very tender branch is coming out. Wow, from the chest of the seed, from inside the seed, it's sprouting. It's coming out, and you can see a little, can you see it? Yeah, very tender branch. So this is the second stage. We call it from the seed, a tiny new plant sprouts. It's very interesting. You can even see the roots. The roots have also started coming out, and they are under the soil. They won't be coming out, they will remain there. The third stage is seedling. The roots grow down into the soil, and a stem grows up. You can see it very clearly. You can see these very, very tender, soft roots under the soil, and a very tender, soft stem out from the ground. It's up on the surface now. The plant can be seen now. And we have to water it. We have to put some nutrients in it to fertiles that helps the plant to grow, and we know our plant is growing. Okay, the fourth stage is, now you can see it's really growing more. Leaves have come out, leaves have grown on that tender branch, on the tender stem. It's not full branch yet, it's just a stem. So more leaves grow and blossoms. Okay, it's very beautiful. You can see they are green in color. There's a reason why they are green, because they take sunlight and they just absorb water from the ground and other nutrition from the ground, and they make their own food. So the leaves are like kitchen of the plants. Okay, they help them. Wow, it's so beautiful. So nice. Absolutely beautiful to see it. Yes. So let's see what happens next. Now we are going to play a guessing game. Are you ready? Let's start. Okay, first there is a seed. You have to find out which one is the seed. Okay, the first one. Which is the sprouting stage? Can you tell us? Yes. The second one, where you can see a very tender stem. And the third stage is the seedling one. Wow. Where you can see even the green leaf one at least. And then the full plant is where you can see you can see many leaves growing up there. So what do plants need to grow, kids? Can you guess? Yes, you're right. The sunlight, the water, the air. You're very right. Exactly. The plants need sunlight, water, and fresh air. We also have an activity for you for coloring. So let's color here. Wow. It's beautiful. We are going to make these droplets blue. We know the water has no color, no odor, no taste, but we make it blue because the color of the water looks to be blue. The sun is yellow. We have made it yellow. What about this soil? Yes, we are going to make it brown very softly because it's a marker. You can't make it darker, otherwise there will be problem, right? It will become very messy. So you have to be very light. Do it very lightly. Yes, that's right. Beautiful. Water. Can you find the word water here? Wow, you have. WATER, water. Soil. SOIL, soil. Yes, beautiful. You even have a spade. Do you have a spade with you? That's very beautiful. Wonderful. Sunlight. Sunlight. SUN, sun. LIGHT, light. Sunlight. Air. Let's find out the word air. Can you find it out? Yes, air. The air. Wonderful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.